Well, it's a great day to be out at the lake.
It is,
right?
and Corey's out there having fun. It looks like a nice day right now. It's breezy.
And I love this like submarine jet ski hybrid thing you got going here, Corey.
I know. Troy, you would love this. This is called the Sea Breacher. I love the whole idea. It is a standalone submersible. It's a I guess you would call it a shallow depth submarine almost. It's able to stay under the water. And Keith Buonafetti is in there. He's on headsets. Keith, can you hear me all right out there, buddy?
Sure.
Give us an idea of how do you describe this vehicle to people? What do you call it?
Well, it's called the Sea Breacher, but it's one piece of amazing equipment.
It's
a thrill ride.
Yeah, it looks like a thrill ride for sure. Tell me, how long can you stay under the water? What are its capabilities?
You can stay under the water as long as the air is intake to the engine. If you go beyond that, you got about 5 seconds, and then you just jump up. It's very buoyancy.
Boy, oh boy! And how long can you stay out there? What's a typical ride last?
I go out there for 20 minutes at a time, relax a little bit, and go again.
All right. Well, we go ahead, put your hatch back up there and put it through its paces. We like to see this in action. Now, Tiffany is with us, and you're a dang expert at this thing as well. Give me an idea of what we're about to watch here.
So you will see him go underwater up to about 5 feet, goes about 20 miles per hour, and then he's going to shoot out, and it goes up to about 20 feet. And on the surface, yes, it's amazing. And he can go up to 60 miles per hour on the surface. It's amazing. It's so great.
I'm stunned just by the statistics, and I guess he wants to make sure that hatch is closed all the way, right?
I would think so, yes.
I mean, I grew up in town, but I sort of get the idea there. And if you don't mind my asking, what is a Sea Breacher going to cost if you're going to be purchasing one for fun? Any idea?
Starts about $80,000.
Wow. Well, you'd be the first on your block, that's for sure. Well, Keith, whenever you want to, go ahead and give us the goods there. And we've got lots more of this beautiful machine to show you. But, boy, I just can't. I'm having a hard time wrapping my head around it. This has been every boy's dream for every boy's entire life, don't you think?
I do think that.
Even though you're a girl. You know how we are, don't you?
I do know. Let me just tell you, the honey-do list keeps growing because they spend so much time out here on this thing.
All right. Well, next time we get together, we're going to see if we can get some jumps and loops and the whole schmear. But it's the Sea Breacher. We're on Lake Pleasant. It's a Memorial Day Monday, and there's lots more to show you. Everybody's out. It's going to be an absolute blast this sunny day. We'll see you again in a couple of minutes.
Okay. Lake life. Corey's living it today.
Corey wins again. Sounds like a broken record.
I know, right?
You know, the good times never stop happening with me, Troy, and that's sort of my MO. Now, we've got our Sea Breacher out here, and we've got jet skis that are we're trying to get this yellow Jets wave runner to stay away so we can get our Sea Breacher in motion. Oh, here he comes now. Now we've got Keith at the helm here. We're going to put this machine through its paces. The whole idea is fascinating to me. And Tiffany, what's the look at him go. What's the genesis of this thing? How does this sort of an idea get started?
I just think it's guys wanting to have a really great time and finding new and improved ways to do that. This thing is amazing. This is the Sea Breacher X. It has 300 horsepower. It goes down below the surface about 5 feet at 20 miles per hour. It will shoot up to about 20 feet in the air, and it goes up to 60 miles per hour on the surface.
That is amazing. Now, Keith, just so you know, I'm talking to Keith, the pilot now. Tiffany is bragging about your 20-foot leap, so you don't want to let her down, I know. We'll see what we can get going here. But is this really is it a lake application that we're looking at here? Where can it be used? Is it an ocean-going vessel too?
Yes, it is. It can be used in freshwater and saltwater, and they cost about $80,000. And if you'd like to purchase one, you can go to hydroextreme.us. And if I can, just real quickly, I want to give a shout out to Pleasant Harbor Boat Rental. They have been fantastic today in getting us out here and setting everything up today.
Yeah, we love Clint and his whole crew. They do such a good job. We're going to check in with them a little bit later as well. But boy, I love the juxtaposition of that beautiful sailboat back there and then the future of water sports. It's really cool.
It's amazing. It's just so amazing. They have so much fun out here.
And that's a two-man operation. You've got a passenger in there too, right?
We do. And the very cool thing, or actually one of the cool things, is that you can put a GoPro on the top, if you can see that metallic post that sticks out.
Yes.
And then your passenger can see everything that the GoPro sees from the back.
I love the whole thing. Keith, thanks so much for taking us on the journey there. And do you guys have a noon show today? Is that part of the experience? Because I don't feel like coming back.
Can you just do weather from there
here
at noon? That's what you should do.
Well, who can stop me? You're right. You're exactly right, Andrea. All right. More coming your way from Lake Pleasant all morning long. See you in a few.
Well, we need to ask him when we see him again what the ramp looks like. The launch ramp, the 10-lane.
Oh.
Probably getting busy out there right now.
Oh, yeah.
It was busy on Saturday.
We'll be right back.